So we got we're gonna be boxing this 1/4" input jack by Allparts. As you can see, it's in gold. Inside that small bag, you have a washer and a nut. So here's the front. You can see it has the Allparts logo. And then on the back, as you can see, it has like their about and like their website. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Similar to the D'Addario packaging, it's just some cardboard and plastic. So let's tear it up. Here's that small bag. Here's your input jack. So here's the input jack. You can see this is where you put your cable through. And then it'll connect to that little prong thing here. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It's gold on this tip here. It's kind of hard to find like a high quality, like reliable input jack that has like a gold tip. So I went with this one. I think this one will last a very long time. It's like very high quality, very sturdy. It's not like bendy feeling. Like I can't like bend these things easily. I can't like move this thing around that much. So yeah, I think this is gonna last a very long time. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The gold on the gold on the threading is pretty consistent. I don't see any speckles or scratches from the factory. Inside this bag, we have the nut and the washer, like I said. So let's take a look at it. Here's the nut. You can see it's gold. The finish is consistent too. There's no like speckles or anything that I can really tell. Pretty cool. And then here's the washer. Like everything else, the gold is like super reflective and like there's no like blemishes I can see of. So yeah, pretty cool. I highly recommend this 1/4" input jack. That's about it. And you guys for watching. I'll catch y'all later.